Thank God it's a Friday. Hello po muli sa inyong lahat sa isang maaliwalas at maalinsangang Biyernes. Wala na po ang bagyo or papalayo na po ang ating bagyo. Ika-13 ng Abril 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro, nag-aanyaya. Samahan ninyo ako sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw na sinimulan ko po noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks, and if you like the content, niimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe. And if you have stocks in mind na nais nyo pong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking ipra-prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa financials ng BPI at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, April 23, 2021, Friday, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, BPI net profit down 21.6% in quarter 1. The Bank of the Philippine Islands booked a lower net profit in the first 3 months of the year due to a decline in revenues caused by lower net interest income. Lender is moving forward under the leadership of its new President and Chief Executive Officer, Jose Teodoro TGK Limcauco, and plans to ramp up digitalization and expand its retail and small business portfolio and veer away from financing coal projects, with the lender also looking into bidding for retail business in Citigroup Inc. in the Philippines. The bank's net income stood at 5 billion in the first quarter, it said in a filing with the local bourse Wednesday. This is lower by 21.64% from the 6.381 billion booked a year earlier based on BPI's financial report for the first quarter of 2020. BPI's revenue slipped 1.5% to 24.3 billion last quarter as net income fell 6.5% to 16.9 billion pesos, with net interest margin dropping by 31 basis points to 3.31%. Meanwhile, net interest income rose 12.1% to 7.4 billion, boosted by higher fees from its bank assurance, asset management, transaction banking, and investment banking business. The bank's credit book dropped 5% to 1.4 trillion as of March from a year earlier amid softer loan demand across all products except for mortgage and microfinance, which registered growth. Its non-performing loan ratio stood at 2.76%, while NPL coverage ratio was at 123.5%. With a drop in credit, BPI loan loss provisions declined by 12.7% to 3.6 billion from 4.1 billion it set aside in the first quarter of 2020. Now let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange, starting with the PSEI index. The PSEI lost 37.46 points on another profit-taking Friday. Let's put up our indicators. So that's 0.58% down to end at 6378.07, so below 6400 ang ating PSEI, with RSI bearish at 38. And if we'll take a look at the market summary, 132 companies declined, 64 advanced while 47 remained unchanged. The all-share index also registered a decline of 0.51%. As for the sectoral indices, only the financials registered a gain of 0.14%, while all the others were in the red, led by mining at 1.63% down. Let's take a look at the most active stocks. We'll be reviewing the top 10. That's Ali, Eagle, Dito, ICT, SM, BDO, AC, ACEN, JGS, SMPH, and those will be our top 10 stocks. So let's now take a look at the first stock. Again, Ali is topping the list. It ended in the red again, a red candlestick here with volume, pero it is a short red candlestick. It ended at 32.20 with a bearish sentiment since the RSI is currently oversold at 28.42. So meaning, maaring next week mag-bounce back itong si Ali. In the meantime, the nearest support of Ali would be here at, let's place it at 32, ang nearest support niya. Okay, and then Eagle. Okay, Eagle also had a red candlestick, ended at 12 pesos, losing 4 centavos, but the sentiment is more or less sideways. The RSI is at 57. Actually, the EMA 20 is below the candlestick, which would indicate a short-term bearish, a short-term bullish indicator. However, our mid-term indicator, the EMA 50, is just piercing through the candlestick. So more or less, it's sideways to bullish ang indicator natin kay Eagle. And then Dito. Okay, Dito is still sideways ang movement with our moving averages piercing through the candlestick, losing 28 centavos, ending at 10.22. And then nearest support would be here at 9.17. And then ICT, one of my favorite stocks. Okay, the candlestick is above our indicator, although it ended in the red today, which would indicate some bullishness on the price, with the RSI confirming that at 59.88. So 129.40 yung kanyang closing price. I have a position here at ICT and my target price is 135. In the meantime, let's place the support level of ICT to EMA 100. That's 121.80 to 121.90. And then SM. Okay, SM is down today, losing 18. Is it? Yes, 18 centavos to end at 952. Actually, nasa support lang siya. And support is at 146 to 147. So it is bearish with the RSI at 37. And then BDO. Okay, BDO rebounded today, although the general direction of the price in the past 2 or 3 weeks has been sideways. Support is 100 to 101, while resistance is 111 to 115. So yan po ang support and resistance. In general, the stock is moving, or the price is moving sideways. Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation has been a very resilient stock, and it rebounded today. However, the support is here at 726 to 727, while the resistance is here at 790. So in general, it has been moving sideways for the past 2 or 3 weeks. And then ACEN or ACEN. Okay, ACEN had a red candlestick today, although in the past 2 weeks it has been above our moving averages. So let's place the support at the 100-day exponential moving average at 6.5, while the resistance is here at 8 pesos to 8.10 centavos. So that is my take on ACEN. And then JGS. Okay, JGS had successive red candlestick and it's a red day today with the nearest support. Actually, malayo na yung support niya. Nandito na siya sa 2020 June. Ang nearest support niya is malalagay natin. Actually, this is support already. Yan po support level niya at 53 to 54. So nagre-rest po siya sa support ngayon, and the next support level is let's check here. Nasa 43.70 to 43.80 yung next support level. And napakalayo na po yun ng data. Nasa ano na tayo? We're speaking of May 2020. Yan po yung data on the support level na 43.70 to 43.80. And then finally, SMPH. Okay, SMPH continues to move sideways, although this is a red candlestick today. It has dividends payable May 19, that's 8.20 centavos. So malit lang. But nevertheless, cash dividends pa rin yan with support at 34.20 and resistance, I would place it here at 37 pesos. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market April 23, 2021. Thank God it's a Friday. Ito po si Benji Chodoro reminding you, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Have a nice weekend. See you again on Monday. God bless. Bye for now.